Hey everyone, I'm Katie, and today we're going to go over our new tax year folder template. So the first thing we want to do is click Get for Free. Then we're going to go over to our for templates, and then we're going to go all the way to the end and click on Folders. And then we're going to open up our new tax year template. And here you're going to see that you've got your standard folder template set up. But if you click on each one of these, you're going to open it up to see your new tax year. In the private, you don't have one, but you can always add one by clicking on 3 dots on the end and clicking New Folder and then adding the year to it. Click and save. Normally, you would add this at the beginning of your pipeline so that when your clients are starting their tax process, they get the new folder. You can also add these folders in bulk by going to Accounts, selecting all your accounts or selecting the accounts that you want to, and then going to More Actions and applying your folder template. So we're going to go ahead and click that. And then from the list, I'm going to go ahead and select my new tax year template. Go ahead and click Apply. And then I'm going to go to my test account and go to Documents. And then I'm going to click on the button, and you are going to see that I now have a 2025 folder. And then under From Documents, I also have a 2025 folder. If you have any questions, please reach out to us in the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a great day.